it's getting closer and closer to the dates of the trip. But there will be definitely something that is, but at least possible to see that it can be more interest, or it can be easier for them to come to the fair in this period compared to January, also because of the weather conditions. And sometimes in January, if it's fantastic weather, people are more concerned about going skiing. If it's lousy weather, they don't want to go to any place, especially since it's a little bit outside of the city center. And that is, of course, also one issue, that it is not located in the city center, simply because there are no facilities with the same size in the city center. So that is how it's going to be. It's going to be the same concept for the international part, although it's not going to be in Berlin, which is actually the most important, or at least one of the most important fairs in tourism all over the world. So it's a very important part. And Berlin, or ITB, is Tuesday to Thursday, while the Travel Expo will be starting on Friday with some more specific trade events, but the consumer part will be on Saturday and Sunday. So hopefully it can be also combined for some exhibitors to bring partners who are already in Europe, especially the long haul, who are already then in Europe for ITV, and who could possibly be attending also this event as a co-exhibitor of the country or another partner. So at least that allows for it. For the consumers, maybe it's probably AI, and this is we talked a little bit about it related to media, but it's definitely also related to the travel industry as so. So we will present a little bit how they have been considering this and how it can be used. So yes.
Okay, thank you, Arne. It's a pleasure to try to talk about a relatively new topic, which is the use of AI in the travel industry. We started as a company during the pandemic to look at alternatives and how we work and how we distribute and how we sell our product. Everything from actually making a product, making it visible in using various tools in order to get our product across to the consumer. So during the pandemic, we searched and came up, but there's not that actually at the time there was no AI in discussion. This was something that sort of came to light in November 2022. When we started talking about the ChatGPT and all that, and all the new tools that have come into existence after, but very few have actually managed to take the AI into a booking process. Some companies have tried, a few hotel chains have made it within their little terms that you can search hotels, etc. But there's actually only one company that we found, and that actually have managed to integrate a complete AI booking solution into the product, the chain of products, which is quite unique because, as I said, you can go to ChatGPT and put in anything you want and we will get a response based on what you put in. But there is actually no tool except this one taken it to the next level where you can actually get suggestions and package and actually manage to book everything at the end result and then sell to the customer. For you as embassies or promotion offices or tourism into your respective countries, this makes it possible for people to actually have no knowledge, or the person is actually booking it, the travel agent, to book a trip and a destination and actually visit other destinations that they have not heard of. I'm going to get back to a little point on that, which was quite interesting as I just got back from Peru. But this is a very good case in point. But as a company, we, as I said, we started with the new technology and distribution technology in 2021. And then in 2023, the first AI booking tool was released. So this, for us as a company, you can have the destination promoted, text can be written in any language you want. Specific, everything we write in here will be, the system of course takes up from big data information about the destination, but we can overrule that if you want to promote a specific destination or a product, whatever. So that is something that makes it available. And as I said, the future is the AI and how we work to be able to not only give better options, but more options in order to sell a product. That's what we do. So we also offer as a branding possibilities. I was really pleased with the first tourism destination company that signed up with us was actually Sierra Leone, all places. Fantastic opportunity for us to promote a new destination. It will be our second destination in West Africa.